Hello fellow aviators and air travelers. In today's episode of Healthy Aviation, I would like to share some ideas on how to squeeze efficient and regular workouts in your busy and traveling schedule. So it does not need to be a huge time investment, but it does need to be a little bit of planning and a commitment to follow through. First of all, set the goals. They don't have to be many, just 2 or 3 is a good start, and make them realistic. If you hardly ever exercise, maybe planning to win the next Vancouver Marathon is not the plan for you in the next couple of months, but something that can be achieved in a reasonable amount of time that you are ready to invest in your workouts. As an example, I will share what I have for my regular workout schedule, excluding my figure skating training. Setting realistic goals is important because if the goals are too far away, not achieving them will leave you frustrated and demotivated. So let's start with something simple. I like having a flat tummy. So the price to pay for it is only 2 minutes a day in a plank. And I do this exercise every day, 6 days a week, no matter where, no matter when, no matter what. Plus additional 10 minutes once a week of a full abs workout. Total time investment, 22 minutes per week. Second, I would like to develop and maintain my cardio. For that, I need to run 5 kilometers per week. And once a couple of months, I give myself an extra push with a half marathon. Total time investment, half an hour per week. And my third goal is that I want to improve my flexibility. For that, I need to stretch 15 minutes per day or 90 minutes per week. So working on all 3 goals, the total time investment per week, I have 144 minutes or about 20 minutes per day. This is something that anybody with even the busiest schedule can find in their day to dedicate to yourself and feeling good and improving your productivity at the end of the day. So how do we plan for that? When I put my workouts in my calendar, because this is the only way to make sure they do happen, I don't usually put the daily workouts because I do them every day, but I do plan and put in my calendar things that I do only once a week, like the longer run or a full abs workout. If my plans change, then I can always reschedule, but that item is always on my schedule for the given week. I might not feel like it on a particular day because it's a long day or I'm too tired or something else came up at work that I do have to do on that day. I can reschedule it, it's okay. Don't put too much pressure on yourself while planning your workouts, otherwise they become a burden. It has to be a time that you're really finding for yourself and be grateful for those workouts because you keep improving and feeling better. I also usually plan 1 day a week when I'm not doing any workout or any physical activity if I can avoid it. That gives me a relaxed day without feeling guilty that I'm not doing anything. And that makes you also feel better and makes your muscles rest and be ready for the workout of the next week. Ideally, all the workouts are planned that you don't need any special equipment or special location. If you're traveling, you might not necessarily be able to find a swimming pool or an ice rink at your destination. But you can always go for a run because all you need for it are your running shoes and yourself. Same with the yoga that can be done in any hotel room. I hope these tips were helpful, and stay focused, stay committed, and I'm sure you will soon see the results that you're working towards.